See you on the next.
See you on the next Banayad Fest.
Yes.
Yes. Very
good.
Very
good.
Successful yung event, masaya, maganda. Actually, yung ulan dumam, kahit ganyan siya, ano na rin eh, parang sakto na, nagbigay na rin ng ito yung outdoor. So, sana hindi lang ito yung hindi ito yung first. Every year na, kung pwede, every year talaga. So, congrats ulit, Team Banayad, kila Sir Eman. See you next year. Laging nakasupport din ng ARB tsaka ang East Coast sa mga event ng Banayad na ganito.
The Banayad Fest 2023, rain or rain, yun na pa natin sinasabi namin. A good turnout despite of the bad weather. We have our mic pool featured here at the event, and of course our storage receiver. So again, thank you Eman for inviting us to a bigger and better 2024 Banayad Fest. Thank you guys.
Thank you Banayad Adventures for inviting us. So masaya naman tong experience na to kahit umuulan, okay naman. Magandang chance din para matest yung mga equipments nating nakakabit. Thank you Banayad.
Welcome to Banayad event, and thank you for supporting the events, and have a stroll, take a pic and enjoy. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Rob Churo of SR Performance, and welcome here at the rainy, very off-road flooded na event ng Banayad Festival. A rainy weather, but for us off-roader guys, walang problema ang rain na to. Ang mga weather and the mud, putik, rock, wala kami problema mga off-roader guys dyan. It's our nature. So we're here to support Banayad Festival, and you can check out our products here. Once again, I'm Rob Chua of SR Performance. Thank you Banayad Festival for inviting us.
Experience this event pag nagka-camping tayo or even sunny day. So thank you. Successful event po siya kahit maulan.
Thank you for inviting AM 4x4 Gears and ARB to your Banayad Festival. The event was very enjoyable, and at the same time with plenty of exhibitors. Hope to have more events with you in the future, and God bless, and more power for Banayad.
Not bad, huh? Not bad? Not bad. Super. Not bad for a first timer. Oh, it's super.
Kaway naman dyan. Club 74.
Congratulations. Lupit mo. Lupit. Sana all. Thank you so much, Banayad, for giving us a wonderful event kahit umuulan. Pero naniniwala ko pag sinabi nilang umuulan ay blessings yun.
See you on the next.
See you on the next Banayad Fest. Yes. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright. Thank you very much.